Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We're in the garage. We have to be kind of quiet because they're putting a new roof over my head. Yeah, it's really loud and there's all kinds of construction equipment right out there. But today we're going to show the Crossfire, the Kriss Crossfire, some love. With my best friend,
Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus because you lift me up.
Okay, so here she is. This has been a really popular video series for me, okay? This is crisscross. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah, you better. Okay, let me kind of show you. Remember this? We put on a new fender. We put on a new lower control arm, new spring. We put on a new shock absorber, all kinds of good things. And we put on a new used wheel, okay? We are still looking for the trim for the windshield, okay? Talk about an expensive little piece of plastic. Yes, you can buy a set, okay? There's one piece there, there's one piece there, and there's one piece there. Between $300 and $500 on eBay. I'm totally serious about that. Yeah, cha-ching. So, I have this one, and I have that one. I don't have the cross one. And every time I see a Crossfire in a junkyard, I immediately go there, and these pieces are already gone. I'm thinking maybe this has a tendency to just kind of fly off. Could be. I don't know. But I can't find one, and I don't know if I'm going to put these two on without the trim top, the trim piece on top. I don't know. So what I have planned for today, because this is almost ready to go. She's almost ready to go. This looks horrible. This looks horrible. Look at that. Look at how gross those are. Okay, we're going to fix that. Then we're going to give her a quick little cleaner wax because look how dirty that is. Yeah, I've already washed her, but there is some muck up on this hood. Okay, I got muck up on the hood. And then we're probably going to replace this because I have a little chunk out. See that little missing piece right there? I pulled another one from a junkyard and there's just a little bitty scratch right there. So I'm going to replace this one with the new one. And I got a new shifter, so we're going to show you how the shifter assembly comes out and goes back on. This will be super easy, super fun. And I got a spider. Look at the spider. Look at that. Okay. Let's do some headlight cleaning. Okay, first up, we're going to clean these. These are really, really gross. They're really dirty. And I was looking on YouTube, and believe it or not, some of my favorite people, I'll have to go back and look at their names, say that this stuff works really good on plastic. And I have to admit, I did it on Grandma's or Grandpa's E320. Yeah, Grandpa's Mercedes. And it was beautiful. This stuff worked like crazy. Good stuff. So we're going to try this. We're going to kind of mask off what is painted. Okay, so I don't get any of this on the paint. And we're going to see if we can clean those headlights. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Some premium all metal polish. Let me just show you, okay? This is the old look. I put a little excess on the other headlight, so I kind of wiped it off on this one. That's okay. This is the old, faded, okay? You want to see the new? Ho, ho, ho! Look, and it was literally like 2 minutes. Yeah, look, it's brand new. It is brand spanking new. Easiest transformation I have ever seen. New, old, new. Look at that. It's a whole new world. A whole new world. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to do the other one. I'm not going to show you that. Okay, I'll show you the finished product, but you don't have to watch me do the process. I did make a mistake. Did you notice? Do you see how my cord got wrapped around the pad? Yeah, that was fun because I have so much freaking room in here. Look, look, yeah, look. Yep, everywhere I turn, I got parts. Oh, look. Mike painted a white bumper to match one that came folded up in the trunk of another BMW. Yeah, remember the E46 I have? It's been a while. She's ready to get put back together. I'm getting all the parts together for her. That's another video though. Okay, let's go ahead, focus on our attention right here on Kriss Kross. And a few moments later, look, okay? Look, yeah. Is that gorgeous? Look how pretty, okay? Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Turtle Wax Aluminum Polish. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we'll get this off. And then we move to the roof. To the roof! Not my roof, because they're fixing it, but the roof of the car. Yeah, that one right there. All right, for my next trick, I would like to show you the benefits of using this Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. This is good, good stuff. Okay, I've been using this for a long, long time, and I want to show you. See how dirty? I really wish I had better lights. I wish I could open the door. Okay, that's just all kind of crud that's on there. Sometimes you can clay bar, all that kind of stuff, you know, well, or you can just get a nice little cleaner wax. I wish, there you go. Now you can kind of see what I've done. See the difference? Yeah, 38 seconds, 38.5 seconds. It was much cleaner. So we're going to, and I've washed the top, I've wiped it off. Still got a little bird poo right there I have to address, but we're going to go ahead and wax the roof of this car, and we're going to make it look gorgeous. Super easy to do. Let me show you the difference very, very quickly, okay? You see how nice and smooth and shiny? See how you can see the garage door? Yeah, said garage door in the reflection. On this side, nothing at all. Look at that, look how gross. Yeah, a little cleaner wax, and if it's especially difficult, just a little bit of rubbing compound. I'm not even using a tool. I'm using my muscles. Yeah, we're doing muscles here, okay? And look at the difference. Old and yucky, new and pretty. So we'll continue this. You don't need to see me wax a car. How many videos are on that subject? Ugh, we're not going to do that. Okay, but we'll show you the final product, and then we're going to do a couple little quick touch-ups, like the tail light and the shifter. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, stay tuned. We are now inside the cockpit of Kriss Kross. You know, you got to say every word in that sentence, or you could really get yourself in trouble. Okay? Woohoo! Mike's mind is in the gutter. Okay, so new shifter. Yeah, take a look at how pretty this is. This is the old one, and I think the issue is these little tabs right here are kind of misshapen and out of whack. So basically, to put this on and get it off, you slide it in here and you push it down. Okay, to get it off, pop and unlock. Pop and unlock. To get the shifter off, it simply goes through, okay, your little piece of leather there, and it has a little plastic collar. Okay, and you screw it on like that, and that tightens it up. So you have a shifter like so. The problem with this one was it was missing, see, it only has 3 little sides instead of 4, and the collar couldn't even really screw. And so what there was, and it fell down here into Never Never Land, a little clamp like you'd use for a small hose in the engine bay. Okay, they just had it kind of clamped together, and that's why I could never get this thing locked and ready to go. So this is the old, and now let me show you the new. Okay, see, nothing moves. This is a proper shifting. Look at that shifter. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so we'll go back in first. I got to tell you, the interior, the cockpit of Kriss Kross, it's very intimate. Yeah, that's a good word. Very intimate. Not a whole lot of room around here. I'm showing some skin. Sorry about that. Okay, so we've got this fixed. We've got all this fixed. I have a cover for the steering wheel. The inside's looking good, except I need to clean the carpets. We've waxed and shined the outside. We've shined the headlights, which look amazing right now. So there's one thing I think that is left to do, and that is to change the tail light. Let's do that. Now we're going to focus our attention right here. Take a look at right here. See something wrong? Yeah, got a big chunk taken out of that one. But I just happened to find a different one of these, a little bit better, in the junkyard. Thank you very much, LKQ. We're going to put it on. Now, to attach these, in every single Mercedes taillight is pretty much the same. You just have these little bolts, okay? Usually there's 4 or 3. This one has 3. They're little 7 millimeters right here. So you take them out. And as with every Mercedes, and this is a Mercedes dressed up in a Crossfire tuxedo, you have a little panel that just covers up the excess, okay? See that? You remove the panel right there. You have 3 little places to unattach it. 1, 2, and then 3 is kind of back under here, there. And we're going to replace the taillights. Look at that. Look how nice and neat. Okay, I don't want you to notice there is a little teeny tiny piece, but it's not as noticeable as a big chunk right there. Okay, and I think this was how much? I don't know, $15? Not bad at all. I'm going to test the lights, make sure they all work, and I don't even know if I could even sell that in good faith, because it is kind of jacked up and cracked up. It is jacked up and cracked up right there. Okay, look at that. Look how pretty. The Kriss Kross is becoming almost ready to sell. All right, that's going to wrap it up right now. We have Kriss Kross looking much, much better right there. He is almost ready to go. I'm loving this. It looks much, much, much better. I'm loving the top. Okay, see how nice and shiny that is right there? It's amazing what a little rubbing compound and a little wax will do for you right there. It looks really, really good. Okay, remember what this looked like in the beginning? Yeah, this was kind of a mess. Now we just have to order one little trim piece right there, and I've already ordered it on eBay. It should be here in 2 days. Okay, see how nice the headlight looks? Look how gorgeous. Look at that. And let me show you before, and here's the after. Yeah, look at the difference there. Much, much, much better. And this one does too. Okay, these are really fun little cars to drive. If you haven't driven one, I would suggest it. Maybe you want this one. I don't know. Do you want a monkey wrench Mike car? We do have a little bit of an alignment issue right there, but you know what? For the price I'm asking, that's not a big deal at all. But I think she looks marvelous. She looks marvelous. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and most of all, be safe out there with all this COVID-19 kind of running around. Okay, bye everybody.